Wound reconstruction can be one of the most challenging aspects of management of trauma and cancer patients. How many times have you said, "I would have gotten clean margins, but I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to close it"? That's why we are so excited to bring you our newest VetDojo module entitled Axial Pattern Flaps, the Surgeon's Best Friend. In all of our surveys, reconstructive surgery has been the most popular request by veterinarians all over the world. In this module, you'll learn the specifics of performing axial pattern flap reconstruction in your patients with confidence. You'll learn about all of the axial pattern flaps available in dogs and cats, including the angularis oris flap, the caudal auricular flap, the caudal superficial epigastric flap, the flank fold flap, and many more. You'll also learn about perioperative care and how to avoid complications including flap necrosis and infection, and how to manage them when they occur. This module includes an interactive list of anatomical areas which can be managed with axial pattern flaps, descriptions of the flaps, a detailed checklist of how to perform the procedure, and several videos where these techniques have been applied in real clinical patients. We're really excited about this exhaustive module and how it can change the way you manage your patients with cancer and after trauma. You'll feel confident in getting wide margins in your patients to give them the best chance of a cure, knowing that you have several options for wound closure. If you are interested in this new module, please click on the link below.